A pig farmer's day typically starts early, around 5 or 6 in the morning. The first task is to check the pig pens, ensuring they are clean, well ventilated, and secure. Feed and water are then provided to the pigs, with careful attention to proper nutrition and sufficient amounts. After feeding, the pigs are observed for any signs of illness or unusual behavior. Early detection of health issues is crucial for prompt treatment and preventing the spread of disease. The afternoon may involve additional pen maintenance, refilling feed and water, and possibly allowing the pigs some outdoor time for exercise and socialization. In the evening, before retiring for the night, a final check of the pig pens is conducted to ensure the pigs are safe, comfortable, and have access to adequate warmth and shelter. Throughout the day, diligent record keeping is essential. Farmers track feed consumption, weight gain, health issues, and other relevant data to monitor the pigs' progress and make informed decisions about their care. In addition to these daily tasks, pig farmers are also responsible for maintaining the overall hygiene of the farm, including regular cleaning and disinfection of the pens and surrounding areas. This helps to prevent the spread of disease and maintain a healthy environment for the pigs.